I'm going to show you how you can change a regular insert plate on either your miter saw or your table saw to a zero clearance plate. This will help prevent chip out on your cuts. Remove the insert plate. Most miter saws should be similar where you have to remove the fence before the insert plate, so just be aware of that. Since the insert plate matched the dimensions of the 1/2 inch plywood that I had on hand, I used that for my replacement wood part of my insert plate. I traced the plate so I can get a rough shape to cut out on the bandsaw. When you're cutting this out, don't cut on the line, just close. You'll attach the plate to the wood later and use a flush trim bit to make an exact match. Some double-sided tape makes this a real easy process. I matched up a drill bit to the screw hole size and marked them so I know exactly where to drill. I should have taped the bit so I knew how far I needed to go, but I didn't, and now you can learn from my mistakes. Countersink your holes just so the screws will sit below the plate. You don't want any screws sticking out to prevent the wood from sliding smoothly across your plate. Put your new insert into your saw and reattach your fence. This is a perfect time to dial in squareness so your blade is square to the fence. Now that everything's squared up, slowly make your cut and you're all done. And now anytime you use your miter saw, you'll get very little tear out because this will hold the fibers against that plate and you'll have nice smooth cuts. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, as I'll be releasing more videos in the future, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.